In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay home credit on Gcash. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to do it with confidence. Let's begin by launching the Gcash app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. A stable internet connection is crucial here, as this ensures that all transactions go smoothly. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, tap on the Bills icon. This section is your gateway to paying a variety of services directly from your phone. Paying bills through Gcash is convenient because it saves you the trip to a payment center. Next up, select the Loans category. Under this section, tap on Loans again within the biller categories. This organized layout helps you quickly find the service you need to pay. Now, from the list of available loan providers, select Home Credit. If you have trouble finding it, use the search bar at the top of the screen to locate it faster. Typing in the first few letters should bring it right up. This step is important because choosing the right biller ensures your payment goes to the correct account. With Home Credit selected, it's time to enter your payment details. Here, you'll need to provide the exact amount you wish to pay. Double-check this to avoid any payment discrepancies. Next, enter your 10-digit contract number. This number is crucial as it identifies your specific loan account. Any mistake here could mean your payment isn't properly credited, so take a moment to ensure it's correct. You'll also need to input your mobile number. This is the number associated with your Gcash account. Adding your email address is optional, but doing so is highly recommended. It allows you to receive an electronic copy of your receipt, which is a good backup. After you've filled in all the necessary information, tap Next to proceed. This step lets you review everything one last time before confirming the transaction. Reviewing your details carefully helps prevent errors and ensures your payment is processed correctly. Now it's time to confirm the payment. Tap on the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Once you've done this, wait for the payment to be processed. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Finally, make sure to save the receipt that appears once your payment has been completed. This acts as proof of your transaction and can be handy if you need to reference it later. You'll see a confirmation message on your screen, reassuring you that the process was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully paid your home credit loan using Gcash. Remember, each step in this process is designed to make bill payments easier and more secure for you. By following these instructions, you're ensuring that your financial obligations are met promptly without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need to make a payment in the future.